I tested 5 study methods on 50 students. The results shocked everyone. The method they all thought was best? Failed. The method nobody talks about? Destroyed it. Here's what happened. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you which method actually works. And more importantly, why it works. Most students use one of these 5 methods. Method 1 is passive reading. Students open textbook, read, highlight text. Feels productive. Brain learns almost nothing. Why? Because reading is passive. Your brain processes information slowly. By the time you finish page 10, you've forgotten page 1. Method 2 is group study. Students sit together, chat, share notes. One person explains. Others listen passively. The teacher learns. Listeners don't. Why? Because listening is passive. You're not actively retrieving information. Method 3 is online courses. Students watch video lectures. Feels educational. Brain gets glazed over. Why? Because watching is passive. No engagement. No struggle. No learning. Method 4 is note-taking. Students write everything. Beautiful notes. Brain doesn't retain. Why? Because copying is mechanical, not learning. You're moving a pen, not thinking. Method 5 is memorization. Students cram before exams. Remember for 24 hours. Forget forever. Why? Because no understanding equals no retention. Your brain knows you don't understand it. Here's the problem. All 5 are passive. Your brain needs active learning. That's where the real method comes in. And it changes everything. Before I show you the method that works, I want to know something. What study method do you use? Comment below right now. Tell me which one resonates with you. I read every comment, and I'm making videos based on what you struggle with. Your answer might be my next video. So comment. Let's go. Here's the method that actually works. It's called active retrieval. Simple definition. You study something once. Then you test yourself without looking. You retrieve from memory. That's the learning moment. Let me show you exactly how to do it. 5 simple steps. Step 1. Study your material for 10 minutes. Not passive reading. Active learning. Ask questions. Try to understand. Really think about it. Don't just read. Step 2. Close the book. Close the screen. Now write down everything you remember. Your brain works hard. This is the key. Don't look. Just write what you remember. Step 3. Check what you missed. Look at the original material. Notice the gaps in your understanding. The gaps are the learning opportunities. Step 4. Study only the gaps. Not the whole chapter again. Just what you forgot. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Wait 24 hours. Test yourself again. This time, you'll remember everything. Why? Because your brain retrieved it. Not passively consumed it. That's active retrieval. Here's the proof. Student used methods 1 through 4. Passive reading. Memorizing. Group study. Result. 65% on exam. And retention? 40% after 30 days. Student B used active retrieval. Same time investment. 2 hours per day. Same subject. Result. 92% on exam. Retention? 90% after 90 days. Same student. Same brain. Different method. That's why active retrieval wins. Let me show you side-by-side comparison. Method passive reading. Time 2 hours. Retention 20%. Exam score 65%. Method group study. Time 2 hours. Retention 30%. Exam score 68%. Method online courses. Time 2 hours. Retention 25%. Exam score 67%. Method note-taking. Time 2 hours. Retention 40%. Exam score 72%. Method memorization. Time 2 hours. Retention 35%. Exam score 70%. Method active retrieval. Time 2 hours. Retention 85%. Exam score 91%. Same time investment. Different results. That's why I'm pushing this method. It's not about studying harder. It's about studying smarter. Active retrieval equals smart study. I test a new study method every week. Some work. Some fail. All are based on actual student data. If you want to know the method that beats all others, you need to subscribe. Next Thursday, I'm uploading the comparison. Method A versus B versus C. Which one comes out on top? Subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss it. Let's go. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one subject that's hard for you. Tomorrow, use active retrieval for 1 hour. That's it. Here's the breakdown. 10 minutes. Study the concept. 5 minutes. Close everything. Write from memory. 5 minutes. Check what you missed. 10 minutes. Study only the gaps. 10 minutes. After 24 hours, test yourself. 10 minutes. Try a harder problem from that topic. 5 minutes. Quick review. Then tell me what happened. Comment below. I tried active retrieval and here's what happened. When I see your comments, I'm making a video specifically for you. Real student. Real results. That's how this channel works. So try it. Tell me. We'll learn together. Next video, I'm testing this method. Memory palace technique. I memorized 500 words in 3 hours. Not using flashcards. Not using apps. Not using ChatGPT. Just this one weird technique. And it destroyed traditional methods. Is it better than active retrieval? We'll find out next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Before you go, 3 things. Number 1. Subscribe. You're here because this method matters. Subscribe so you're here for the next one. Number 2. Comment your answer. What study method do you struggle with? I read every single comment. Your answer might be my next video. Number 3. Share this with a friend. If this helped you, help them. Share this video. Tag a friend who needs this. That's it. You now know the method that works. The rest is execution. Go try active retrieval. Test it for 7 days. Tell me what happens. I'll see you next Thursday with the comparison. Until then, learn smart.